Good morning, everybody. Today we will learn about our body. Okay, what is there in our body? We will learn about that. Okay, see here. See, what is this? This is the head. Okay, what is this? These are the eyes. Okay, as we know it before, also. These are the lips. These are ears, neck, chest, abdomen. What is called abdomen? It is called as stomach also. Okay, these are hands. Okay, these are leg, knee. This is knee. Okay, and this is feet. Okay, let's study about these things. Our body is a wonderful machine. It helps us to study, play, run, sing, draw, and do many other activities every day. The different part of our body work together to help us to do these activities. Okay, our body has many parts, some which we can see and some which is inside our body. Okay, understood? Our body is a machine. Okay, it helps us to do the things which we do in our regular basis. Okay, uh, the things which we can see that is visible in our body, that is called external parts, and the things which are inside our body, that is called internal parts. Okay, now what comes in external parts? See, head, eyes, ears, lips, neck, chest, hand, leg, abdomen, and etc. We can see that things. Okay, and the skin also. Okay, now internal, which is inside our body. What all these are things? uh, some parts of the body are inside, we cannot see them. Okay, the brain, lungs, heart, and stomach are inside our body. They are known as internal part of the body. These things cannot be seen from outside. Okay, now main parts of the body. What are all are the main parts of the body? Our body may be divided into three main parts. What are the three main parts? The head, the trunk, and the limbs. Okay, first we will read about the head. What is head? The uppermost part of the body is the head. And what comes after head? That is eyes. After that, ears, nose, mouth, and brain. Okay, brain is the main part of the body which controls our body. Okay, it controls all the activities of our body. Okay, it is found inside a hard shell. Okay, that is called skull. What does it call? Skull. Skull protects the brain. Okay, understood? It is made up of 22 bones. What is skull made up of? 22 bones. Okay, the other part of the body are connected to the brain through a network of nerves. Okay, these nerves act as a messenger. If we do any activity, if a mosquito bites, then what process does? First it will reach to the brain, and then we will feel that mosquito has bitten us. Okay, then we will rub that portion. Okay, between the brain and other body. I have just given you the example of mosquitoes. Okay, the head is connected to the trunk with the neck. The head is connected to the trunk with the neck. Okay, now next, trunk. The middle part of the body is called trunk. What is the middle part of the body called? Trunk. Okay, a trunk has two parts. Now we will learn about the trunk. The upper part of the bony cage called rib cage. This is rib cage. Okay, this is rib cage, upper part of the body. Okay, it contains a heart and a pair of lungs. Okay, this is heart and a pair of lungs. Okay, heart pumps blood to different part of the body. The lung help us to breathe. What does lungs help us to breathe? Okay. The lower part of the trunk consists of stomach. This is stomach, okay? Liver, stomach, and two intestine. Understood? Two intestines are there in the stomach, okay? The food is digested inside the stomach with the help of juices from the liver, okay? The nutrients from the food are absorbed in the small intestine. The nutrition of the food absorbed by the small intestine, okay? And undigested food is extracted from the end of the large intestine. The undigested food which is there, that will be shifted to the large intestine. This is the whole work of the body which happens in our body, okay? What is limbs? Now we will learn about limbs, okay? The body has two pair of limbs, a leg and a arm. This is leg and this is arm, okay? The legs are called the lower limbs and they are joined with the lower part of the trunk with hips. Understood? This is leg, okay? Understood? And this is the lower part of the body, okay? This is knee, this is feet, okay? And this is ankle. Understood? And this is toes. These are the toes, okay? Legs help us to walk and run. What does legs help us to do? Help us to run or walk. There are joints in the bones of knees, ankles and hips which help us to bend and move. Bend means jukna, okay? To bend and move. To move here and there, okay? The arms form the upper limbs. They are joined to the upper part of the trunk with shoulders. This is shoulders, okay? These are the shoulders. And this is hand. This is full arm, okay? Understood? We can move our arms freely at the shoulder, okay? Shoulder help us to move our arm freely, okay? They have different parts like elbows, hands, wrist and finger. What is elbow? Elbow is this. Kohni. What does it call? Kohni. This is hand. Okay. And this part is called wrist. What does it call? Wrist. Okay. And these are the fingers. You know it. Okay. We use our hand for doing many things like holding, writing, painting, etc. Okay. Now next, bones and muscles. Our body is made up of several bones and muscles. These are the bones and these are the muscles. Okay. They give shape and size to our body. It helps us to give the shape and shape to our body. Okay. Bones support and strengthen the body. Bones help us to be strong, okay? There are 206 bones in our body, in our human being, okay? Bones are hard and they make skeleton of the body. Without the skeleton system, our body cannot stand erect. This is skeleton, okay? हड्डी का ढांचा, that is called skeleton, okay? Understood? They also protect the internal organ. They have joints in them. These are the joints, okay, which help us to move. Okay, these are the joints. They also protect the internal organs. They help us to move, okay? It helps us to work the internal part also. At the point of joints of the bones, there are ligaments. Understood? At the points of joints, there are ligaments. Muscles are soft. They give movement to all the organs of the body. Muscles are very soft. It helps us to move. Okay, move the all the body parts. Okay, there are about 600 muscles in our body. How many muscles are there? 600 muscles are there in our body. Muscles and bones are connected to each other with the help of talons. What does it call? Talons. Okay, bones and muscles are connected with each other, and that is called talons. Okay, now sense organs. We are able to see, hear, feel, smell and taste with the help of our sense organs. We have 5 sense organs. What are the 5 sense organs? Ear, eyes, nose, tongue and skin. With the help of eyes we can see, with the help of ear we can hear anything, with the help of nose we can smell anything, with the help of tongue we can taste and we can talk. Okay, and with the help of skin we can feel anything. Okay, see, this is eye, this is ear, nose, tongue and skin. Understood? The sense organs need help to the work to brain. Okay, when any of the sense organs senses something, it passes a message to the brain. Okay, first if any sense organs senses something, first the message will go to the brain and then we will feel or smell anything. Okay, the brain studies the message and gives instruction to us about it. I have given the example of mosquito. Okay, I've given before only. Okay, now see what is tongue. And see, this is the part that is called sour, and this is the black part that is called salty. This green part is sweet, and the bitter, this is bitter part. This black thing is bitter, and this is sour again, and this is salty. Black part is salty, and then this is green part is sour, and the black part is bitter. Understood? Please learn this diagram. Okay, thank you.